So Opus 4.8 came out, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I made a complete multiplayer video game using Opus 4.8 with one single prompt. Let's begin. So last night, I was working, I went on LinkedIn and I saw the post that Opus 4.8 is now available. And then I jumped on Claude and I pushed it to see what it can do comparing to the previous model. So before we begin, I have a gift for you. I have put down the link in the description. And as we go forward in the video, I will explain what this gift is. But do not forget to click on it and have a look at it. I'm sure you're gonna like it. So I came here on Claude and I selected Opus 4.8. But if you just click on it, you can see here it is an Opus 4.8 high. Okay, you can even take it to the next level. So if you click on it here for the effort, we have low, medium, high, extra, and max. Okay, but you need to be careful because when you go to higher plans or higher effort, it will use the usage that you have much fast. It will spend the usage that you have much faster. So I put it on high, Opus 4.8, and I just wrote down, I want you to make the most complex Pong game with different abilities, different levels, different surprises, high quality style, good and engaging animations, and sound and music. Build it. Then I wrote down it should be in a way that I can either run it on my computer or on my browser, which is better and easier for you. Then I wrote down this is a test to challenge your abilities. So with just this single prompt, it took several minutes, like 10 minutes, and it worked on different files, and finally it gave me this. So let's open it, and here's the game. So I can play with the second player, or I can play with the computer, with the bot, and change the difficulty and click on start play. But since we are here inside Claude, I don't like it. I want to open it in a new window. So let me do that. So I just downloaded the file from here, and it's just an HTML file. I'm just gonna bring and drop it here, and I'm just gonna select one player, and I'm gonna select normal. And here it explains the features of the game, how it works. And let me just come here and click on press on the start, and let's begin. So I don't know if you have the sound. The good thing about it that was really interesting for me, it created a bot that can play correctly. And the way the game works is that the person who get 7 points will win. And I really like all the effects in the game and all the abilities. And it's a really cool game, and I really liked it. And I was amazed that I can make this cool game with just a single prompt. Now imagine if you spend a couple of days working on it with Opus 4.8, what you can achieve. That would be amazing, isn't it? So let me try and see if I can beat this guy. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I won. So 7-6, I won. And the good thing is about it is that there are many other levels. I can go to the next level, and there are some obstacles in the way and more surprising features and so on. So I took this further. I downloaded this, and on Claude Code, I told Claude that I want you to put it on a server somewhere. I don't know. Just tell me where. So people can come to that URL and play with their friends, or create a lobby and play with strangers, or if they want to play alone, they can play alone as well. So you can go to the link down in the description, and it will take you to this page. It took me about 1 hour to prepare it. Now the game itself was ready, but just to put it on a server and improve the multiplayer, it took me about 1 hour. And back at that moment, because Opus 4.8 was very new, it wasn't yet available on Claude Code. So I was using Opus 4.7 and it was less smart. So today when I came back, I saw that Opus 4.8 is available also on Claude Code, and I just pushed it a little with one prompt, and again it fixed everything and the multiplayer is working fine. So you can come to this URL. Again, it will be down in the description. Come here, this is our first game, and as we go forward I will make more games. So known Pong. So you can come here, play alone, or you can create a quick match. And for example, you want to play with your friends, just copy this URL and send it to them, or you can just read them this code and they can come here and write the code for the room and join you. You know what? Let's play multiplayer. Let's test it together. I'm gonna invite my wife to play with me. She will be playing on her phone. I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna click on create private. So let's create a private lobby. I'm just gonna copy this URL and send it to my wife. Okay, so, I'm the blue one. My wife is the pink one. Okay, let's see what we can do. I really hate this feature. There's a freeze ability, and it will freeze your opponent, and it is really hard to move. Oh, yeah, this is a vice versa. Now I'm moving up and down. Yeah. Sometimes happens when you're playing, it goes on vice versa mode, and when you just move your mouse to the up, the board goes down. Wow, there are too many features here, too many abilities here. Okay. Right. I missed that one. Yeah, this is the freeze one. I really hate it. The board is not moving. I think I'm losing. I'm 2-6. Ah, that was close. Ah. I really didn't want to lose. I was trying my best here, but I couldn't. You know, I lost to the freezing abilities. When the ball hit the freezing ability, you cannot move at all. So you can use it this way to play with your friends and have fun. And the amazing part of it was that we made this game with one single prompt using Claude Opus 4.8. Now, I want you to leave a comment below and tell me what you think about the abilities of Opus 4.8. Can you make something cool with it or not? I'm really excited to see your comments and know more about your opinion. So again, the link to the game will be down in the description. And if you enjoyed this training, do not forget to like the video and leave a comment. This way I will understand that you are interested in this kind of videos and tutorials, and I will make more of them for you. And if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, click on subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss our upcoming trainings on new AI models. That would be all. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.